What do you see?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing but love that will bring battle, blood, and death.
Well, I have never been in love before. And my people are not in dispute with any clan. So, where would the battle come from?
I see it clearly, Princess. It is imminent. It started from a hand pinching a brave heart. It'll be like a seed cast on a fertile soil. It'll flourish and flourish. Then, the battle, the blood, and the death will come.
You haven't answered my question. Where would the battle come from?
I answered your question, Princess. You apparently opened your eyes, not your ears.
Well, speak in a language that I would understand. Where would the battle come from?
The battle will come from that which your heart seeks dearly. Love. It will swirl you and move you around like the whirlwind. Then you will crush like a rotten cocoyam.
Honor, the great daughter of the greatest warlock of our kingdom, the daughter of the wealthiest man of this kingdom, cannot be swept off her feet with a man's mere love.
Honor. Even your father, the great Ogidiga, in all his glory and stubbornness, was once a victim of love.
Well, I have never been in love with anyone, so there's not going to be any battle or death.
We are not done talking about love that brings battle, blood, and death.
There will be no love. There will be no battle, and certainly there will be no death.
Princess, love is a beautiful thing. I have lived 102 years waiting for my love to return. That hope has kept me alive. Now that, Honor, is what love can do.
What? You? Over 102 years? Now, I definitely know you are lying. How can a young maiden like you have lived over 100 years?
Go home, Honor. Tell your father, Ogidiga the Great, that you met a Jew, the maiden who saved him from drowning when he was but a little girl.
Now I know your tongues are definitely filled with nothing but lies. And if my father hears this, he will crush you under his feet. I don't even know why I came here in the first place.
Love, battle, blood, and death.
Disrespectful for a man to stare at a woman like this from where I come from.
Greetings, beautiful one.
You're welcome. Sit down.
I am Obi. I have come from a faraway land.
You have come from Amayi.
They were right. You have powerful sight in seeing the future. I knew the gods would take me to the right place.
Be silent and listen. Noise is forbidden here.
Here, tell me the future.
I do not read the palm.
I want you to read my palm.
I do not read the palm, young man. My daughter can attend to you if you want your palm read.
What is the difference between reading the palm and soothsaying? Do they not talk about the future?
I do not repeat myself, but just this once. This once. If you want your palm read, you will go to my daughter behind the house. I am a soothsayer. And if you want me to attend to you, pick up the cowries and cast them on the floor.
What is that look on your eyes?
What look?
You know what I'm talking about.
Go to the back of the house, young man. My daughter will attend to you. Be the one.
Greetings, Ini.
Greetings, my son.
I am here to see the girl that reads palms.
My mother sent you to me. Sit down.
Your mother? No. I am not here to see you. The maiden inside asked me to go to the back and see the girl that reads palms. Where is she?
I am her daughter.
What?
I am the palm reader.
Then you must be drunk, old woman. I am not here to see you. Show me the woman that reads palms.
If you want me to read your palms, sit down and open your palms.
Rubbish. I saw only but a drunken old woman at the back of the house, asking me to sit down and open my palms.
Do not refer to my daughter as a drunk.
daughter? What is going on? Huh? What sort of prank is this?
The old woman you saw at the back of the house is my child. My daughter. If you do not want her to attend to you, then you better go back home. I have told you, certain things are forbidden here. Noise is forbidden.
Don't talk to me in that manner.
You do not tell me what to and what not to do in my house. Get out! Get out and do not come back.
Mother, what is it? I heard you shouting.
Get me water to drink.
Yes, ma'am.
When I see him, I will conceive this affection of mine. And I'll rave at him for touching my face. I'll ask him, do you know the daughter of whom I am? Yes. That is what I will do.
Mother, here it is. Mother, what do we do for this young man?
Take him outside.
Go outside before you get my mother angry.
Certainly it is obvious both of you do not know how to treat strangers.
Go outside! Go back to where you come from. I can take anything from you, but not you provoking my mother. Go!
Where am I? Am I dreaming? Yes. I am dreaming. Wake up.
No. No. It can't be. Can't be.
Why are you crying?
Get your hands off me.
Can I ask you a question?
I asked you to shut up and get out.
I am obeying. No one tells me to shut up.
Obiasongo. No one tells you to shut up. You are Obime. Obiasogu. Do you remember what you did to Ubani? Prince Ubani?
Listen, I still do not know what you're talking about.
How will it sound to the ears that I, Honor, the daughter of the great Ogidiga, is standing on the village path waiting for a total stranger? No. I have to go home. Yes.
Can you tell me what is going on?
Shh. Silence. Obiasogu. Why haven't you crossed my path since you returned?
Obiasogu? I've heard that name before. My mother told me he was a great warrior. Do you know him?
Do you want to know him?
Yes. Do you know him?
Yes.
Can you cast some cowries and tell me more about him? Even though that is not why I am here.
I do not need to cast cowries to tell you about Obiasogu. You are Obiasogu. My love. The minute you stepped in here, my heart skipped. Something in me moved. Obiasogu, I have been waiting for you.
I am not Obiasogu. I am Obemere. Stop acting like you're drunk.
I am not drunk, and don't you call me drunk again.
Then stop acting like one.
You haven't changed.
See what I'm talking about? You and that old woman are clearly drunk.
Then get out of here. You're still the same rude, proud Obiasogu. Do you know what I have been through waiting for you? I have been lonely.
You have made my mother cry. She hasn't cried in 60 years. Now get out. Out!
Yes.
Mother, it's okay. It's okay.
Obi Mary, wake up. Wake up from this dream or it will eat your head. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Abasagu! Wake up! Wake up from your dream or it will eat your head.
He is the one. He came back long ago without letting me know, without even crossing my path.
If he is the one, then you should wipe your tears.
I have seen the future. He will find it hard to love me. And when he finally does, his mother will not accept me. And when she finally accepts me, I will age in days, and my love for him will mean nothing.
I know what to do. We should make him stay longer to believe us.
My child.
Mother.
Help me.
I will. It's okay. Mother, stop crying.
You need to wake up from this dream. Wake up!
I am sorry for shouting at you.
I will not listen to you until I am sure that we are all dreaming.
You need to know everything.
I don't want to hear anything from you.
Yes, you do. Or you would have gone home.
I just want to wake up from this dream! I want to wake up!
I will help you to wake up from this dream. Come, follow me. Open your palms. I see love, tears, and love, and heartbreak. Tears.
Only man loves me with all her heart. She will not break my heart.
On the contrary, you will break her heart when you will go back to your first love, a woman you promised under an oath to love in death and new life.
I have never taken any oath with any woman or promised any woman love apart from Ulima.
Yes, you have. It is clear here before me. The oath said, in death and in new life.
You're talking rubbish! Drunken old woman!
A shrewd woman is waiting for you along the road, and she will steal one thing with so much value.
Listen, I think I am done listening to you and your daughter, or whatever she is. I'll wake up from this dream.
Your life was taken away from you because of your stubbornness. And now you want—
Stop it!
Mother, do you love him?
Yes. I do.
For what I saw in his palm, he will come back for you. He will.
I have to wake up from this dream. How did I end up here?
Are you from this clan?
Yes. No. I am from Ami.
Well, I am Ona, the daughter of the great Ugidiga of Anupa.
Obi. Obi Mary.
So what will you tell me about this man standing before me?
I am just a man, struggling to understand the existence of the things around him.
Say you're cunning. I have to be on my way now.
Let me walk into the pantry.
I wouldn't mind. What is the name of the woman you want to marry?
Her name is Ulima. She's the most beautiful beautiful woman I have ever seen. Honor! Honor, please wait! Please, I was only trying to say...
That you don't feel anything for me. Or that I appear too cheap for you. Do you know how long I stood under the sun waiting for you? I'm going home.
Your heart keeps telling you not to obey your legs.
Meet me under the tree tomorrow if you want to see me.
Could she be the reason I was asked to come to Anupa? How could she suddenly feel something for me? It's not possible. No. It's not possible.
At least I have something for my time wasted.
I should have told her to come see me, since she said she has feelings for me. No. Ulima will see her. Yeah. Ojugo said I'm her lover in the past. Why is everybody obsessed with me today? Why is today mixed with confusion and unreal things?
And what is unreal about today?
Ulima, I didn't see you coming.
Why do you look worried, nervous and pathetic?
No, I'm fine.
You met a woman today. Who is she?
No, I did not meet any woman. Why?
Do not lie to me. I was told the day your love for me will be divided is the day the talisman on your wrist will disappear.
What? I don't know what happened to it. I don't know where I misplaced it.
So, to give the talisman I gave to you to another woman?
No, I did not give it to any woman.
Then, who was the woman you spent all of your day with?
Honor! You thief!
happened? Where is Obimere running to?
He has started seeing another woman, and I will not forgive him until he swears never to do it again.
Another woman?
Have you come so soon to say you're sorry to me?
Where is my talisman?
Talisman? What talisman?
It was on my wrist when you hugged me.
You're a careless man. And I did not see any talisman on your wrist when I hugged you. The last time I saw a talisman on your wrist was at Ojugo's house. Maybe she has taken it away from you with magic.
How could she have stolen from me?
Well, I demand an apology.
Please forgive me.
Will you come see me under the tree tomorrow?
I have to get my talisman first.
Will you come or not?
Where's she?
Mother, he has come back.
How could you have stolen from me? Where's my talisman?
What talisman?
Give it to me! I will hurt you!
What are you talking about?
What is wrong with you? How could you hit my mother? Hmm? The woman you met along the road, the talisman is hidden under her left arm. Now listen. Until you come here and crawl on your knees, you shall come face to face with pain every day of your life. You're wicked. Oh. Mother, sorry. Sorry.
God of our land, if this is a dream, let me wake up from it. Or if it is not, save me from more trouble and more cause.
Greatest, what is chasing you?
Oh, no, nothing.
Please, I'm looking for the house of Ogidiga of Anukpa. Oh, Ogidiga of Anukpa?
Yes, yes.
You are in Emore right now.
Okay.
Go straight. When you get to that tree over there,
okay,
just turn right.
Okay.
You
Thank
come.
you. Thank you.
Hope all is well. Well, what can tell?
What a sweet up wine.
Very good.
Is it?
The tafa is a very good one.
Greetings, Father.
Yes, Ona, where have you been since morning?
I went on a tour on the outskirts of our village.
And you went alone?
Yes, and I was unfortunate to meet Ojugo, the fortune teller.
Ojugo?
Ojugo?
Yes. Father, the woman is ridiculous. She told me she once saved your life from drowning as a little boy. She's such a clown. Father.
Where's she? Huh? Where's she? Where's my talisman?
What is wrong with you? Are you still calling me a thief?
I'm already angry because I have been cursed. Give me my talisman or I will cut off your head.
Excuse me, young man. What is it? Do you know whose house you are in now?
I don't care where I am or whose house I am. Tell your daughter to give me what you stole from me or I will cut off my head. I'll kill somebody before you.
I didn't steal from you. I did not steal from you.
Huh? Young man, get out of this house before I sever your head. Out! Get out. Ona.
I'll come back for you. Ona!
Obi, wait.
Wait where? Wait! 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 Ona, come here! Ona! Out! What kind of stupidity is this?
This is an embarrassment. Huh?
Obi.
Stay off me! How could you steal from me? Do you know what your action has cost me today? Do you know a curse has been placed on my head?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I just wanted you to come back. I love you.
No, you don't love me. You don't steal from people you love.
I did not steal it. I just took it. I took it.
Yes, you took it. You grabbed it. You fingered it. Stop!
Obi! Obi! Obi!
Love you to will go see me munaru. Love makakwa will go see atamuno bimo.
What kind of nonsense?
Who was that young man?
Were you not here with me when he walked in?
Ona did say that she saw Ojugo, the fortune teller.
That has actually left me in confusion.
That is not possible. It's not possible. She said that Ojugo saved you from drowning. Is it true?
I can remember vividly that the lady saved me from drowning when I was born. But I do not know where she came from.
My daughter, what is it?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Lima. Lima, please. Please, I'm sorry. Someone stole it from me.
What makes you think you can lie to me? You spent the whole day with her and gave her the talisman.
That is not true. I went on a mission.
Mission indeed. Who is Ona?
She's a woman I met on my way to Ojugo's house.
And you expressed your love to her with a gift I gave you for her love?
Oh, please believe me.
She stole it from me.
No woman can steal anything from you if you do not slip into her bed.
Stop it. Stop accusing me. I did not slip into anybody's bed. Stop accusing me. I've been so faithful to you.
Are you shouting at me? Get out and do not come back.
Please, beg her for me. Please.
Can you tell me what is going on? Tell me!
A woman from Anukba stole my talisman.
What are you talking about? A woman from Anukba stole from you? How is that possible? It's alright. I'll talk to her later.
Love with you, oh well, go see me munaru. Love amakakwa, oh well, go see atamuno bimuo. Oyi moye fulunanya, chulumu kangwa gife. Onyembu no bimuo, gemunti nonu. Where you go, I will wait. My heart will stay forever. I will wait. Crazy love. Strange feeling. I will look at say memuna. I will look at say memuna. I will look at say memuna. I will look at say memuna.
Obi Mere, what is wrong? Where have you been?
Nothing has gone wrong yet, mother.
Nothing has gone wrong yet. Did you have problem with Ulimma? Your food is inside.
It's a dream day today. I hope I'm dreaming. All this had better be dream, because that woman's curse might come to pass.
What dream are you talking about? And what cause?
There is no problem yet, mother.
This is the problem with you. You keep a lot of secrets.
Mother, there is no secret.
Can you please tell me who laid a curse on you? Did you beat an old woman?
I went to see Ojugo, the fortune teller.
Ojugo, the fortune teller. Are you alright?
Yes. Mother, I am alright. Ulema asked me to go see her. I went there and strange things happened.
Ah. That is not possible. Ojugo, the fortune teller, only exists in folk tales or in the dream of the innocent people. Ojugo doesn't exist in reality.
Mother, Ojugo exists in reality. I was in her house today.
Now I know you are really dreaming. Yes.
Mother, are you saying we are all dreaming?
Go and break the firewood for me. Wait. Wait. Did he say Ulimma asked him to go and see Ojugo? I know it must be Wada that initiated this idea. Yes. It must be Wada.
send my son to such a dreamland. No. I have to caution her. I have to caution Wada. Now they've left my son daydreaming. No. I have to caution Wada. I have to caution Wada.
If you had listened to me when he was crawling around you and accepted another man as husband, you would have been crying the way you're doing right now.
Mother, I love him.
You love him. Does he love you back? Because if he loved you, he wouldn't have slept with another woman. Because true love is jealous.
Ulima! 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 Did you send my son on a vague adventure to see Ojugo? A woman that doesn't exist? Is that why you come to my house with a cutlass?
Your son wanted a beautiful woman to wife, so he had to go on such an adventure.
Wada, how could you?
Remove that from my face.
I knew it. I already know you are the one that initiated this plan. You and I know Ojugo doesn't exist. Wada, you. Wada Nginwa!
And who says she does not exist?
Wada, if anything happens to my son, if anything happens to my son, I repeat, Wada, I will deal with you. Wada, I will deal with you.
You don't come to my house. You know what I'm capable of doing. So
you can do nothing.
Get out and go.
Wada, you can do nothing. But what if you get me? Manu tell him. This is what it costs. You see? Useless duck comes to my house to threaten me. And you keep quiet. Shut your mouth. You see what you call that lily livered duck who come to my house to talk to me? Threaten me in my own house. Oh, shut up, let me hear. Shut your mouth.
He called me beauty from the gods. I've not seen you this happy in a while. He is so handsome. My heart leaps each time I think of him. You know, maybe it's more than love. I can't explain it. It is love. It is love at the right time. Exactly. Love at the right time. I'm happy for you. What is his name? His name is Obi. Obi Mere. I'm so happy for you. Thank you.
If he loves me, he will come back crawling on his knees by sunset. What if another woman is secretly occupying him? No. Lima, get rid of this thought from your head. Get rid of it.
Wise one.
Yes?
From what I heard, he actually saw Ojugo. Do you know I never knew Ojugo is still alive all this while?
Wada. When you came here to ask about the fate of your daughter and Obina, did I not tell you to let them be?
You did, but Obina is too poor to marry my daughter.
So, what do you want me to tell you? I will not say anything.
Until you come here and crawl on your knees, you shall come face to face with pain every day of your life. Son, you are still awake.
Yes, Mother. I have come to understand that today was not a dream after all. Because I have come face to face with strange reality.
Apart from Ojugo, is there any other thing you want us to talk about?
Yes. Please tell me about Obiasogo.
Obiasogo is a warlord in the ancient stories.
Yes. So where is he from?
He lives in the stories. That's all I know.
Then tell me about the story.
My son, it is late. Okay? Besides, I don't know the whole story.
I see. My mother does not know the story about Obiasogo, but she knows that Obiasogo lives in stories. Alright. You can go to bed.
Mother, please, eat your food. Mother, you wouldn't want to eat this food when it is cold, so eat. I do not need to cast calories to tell you about Obiasogo. You are Obiasogo, my love. The minute you stepped in here, my heart skipped. Something in me moved. Obiasogo, I have been waiting for you.
I am not Obiasogo. I am Obemere. Stop acting like you're drunk.
I am not drunk, and don't you call me drunk again.
Then stop acting like one.
You haven't changed. Obiasogo, he hit me with his sword. He has forgotten the pain I went through for his sake. He has forgotten all of the sacrifices I made for his sake. Mother, you want to make me cry. He has forgotten. Obiasogo has forgotten. How can he forget? All the pain I bore for his sake, how can he forget?
Honor.
Father.
Tell me, where did you say you went to today?
Father, I went to see Ojugo, the fortune teller. I went to find out why I don't feel anything for men. But it turned out to be my greatest venture ever. Even though that woman's tongue is filled with lies.
Honor, Probably you were dreaming. Or you got drunk somewhere and you began to daydream about the whole tale of Ojugo. But I want to warn you, don't ever say such thing or say anything about Ojugo again in this house.
Father.
Do I make myself clear?
Father, have I ever lied to you before?
I have not said so, but I don't want to ever see you become a liar. Do I make myself clear? Let me go and have my sleep now. Let me go and have my sleep.
So it is true. Another woman has been occupying you.
No, it's not what you think. I'm only helping her home.
You're helping her home and she's resting her whole body on you. She's even caressing your chest.